What's up everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to find duplicate photos and videos on your Apple iPhone or iPad. The awesome camera on Apple's iPhone and iPad devices makes it incredibly easy to capture all of life's moments. However, the downside of this is that it's also incredibly easy to fill up your device's storage with photos and videos. Thankfully, with the rollout of iOS 16 for iPhone and iPadOS 16 for iPad, Apple is making it a little bit easier to free up space by giving users the ability to detect and merge duplicates. To be clear, within this process, duplicates are classified both as exact copies that may have different metadata, as well as photos that appear to be the same but may have unique resolutions, file formats, or other slight differences. Now let's walk through the steps to find duplicate photos and videos on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Launch the Photos app on your Apple iPhone or iPad. You'll land on your Photos home screen. Again, to move forward with this process, you need to be running iOS 16 or later on your iPhone or iPadOS 16 on your iPad. Step 2. Tap Albums in the menu along the bottom of this screen. Scroll down this screen until you land on the Utilities section and then tap Duplicates in this section. You'll see a duplicate screen where you'll see a list of all of the duplicate photos and videos that were found on your iPhone or iPad. Again, duplicates are classified both as exact copies that may have different metadata, as well as photos that appear to be the same but have unique resolutions, file formats, or other slight differences. Step 3. Where you want to remove the duplicate photo or video, tap Merge next to that detected duplicate. You'll see a prompt that the selected items are exact copies that may have different metadata, and a note that moving forward with merging will keep one version of the photo or video that will combine the highest quality and relevant data. Step 4. Tap Merge to move forward with merging your selected duplicate. That photo or video will no longer be displayed in your detected duplicates list on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.